Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you all how to prepare dal palak khichdi just like the restaurant style. Basically when I was in Bombay, I used to have this whenever I was at work and I wanted to eat something light. I would order this from the nearby restaurant and I really do miss it. And I was looking up how to prepare this completely, and I finally figured out a way and I want to share this recipe with you all guys. So let's get started. So preparing the dal palak khichdi involves 3 steps. So first we'll be cooking the palak. I'll take a pan and add some water in it. I've taken 1 bunch of spinach, that is palak. I washed and roughly cut it, and now I'll be adding this to the pan. So first we'll be boiling the palak so that we can grind the palak later on once it's cooled down. I'll be adding 3 small roughly chopped green chilies. You can alter the chilies as per the spiciness you require in your khichdi. I'll be adding some turmeric and some salt. I'll just mix everything together. Now I'll let the palak boil with the lid covered for 6 to 7 minutes. So guys, it's almost past 7 minutes. Now I'll remove it off heat and let it cool down before I grind it into a fine paste. So for making the khichdi, I've taken half cup of moong dal. This is the best dal which you can make khichdi of, and half cup of rice, and I washed it thoroughly. And this is the quantity I require, which will yield me dal palak khichdi for about 2 to 3 people. So you can alter the proportions accordingly. Now I'll make this in a cooker because this will be the faster process. I've added some oil and let's heat it. To this I'll be adding 1/4 teaspoon cumin seeds, jeera. Then I'll be adding 2 cloves of garlic, finely chopped. 1 medium sized onion, half, finely chopped. Let's mix it well. So now I'll be normally making the khichdi. To this I'll be adding 1/4 teaspoon asafoetida, hing, half teaspoon turmeric powder. Let's saute this well. And also the onions have turned nice golden brown and the raw smell of the garlic is gone away. Now let's add in the rice and the dal. To this I'll be adding 2.5 cup of water. So you want your consistency of the khichdi to be little runny, like watery. I'll add in some salt as per taste. Just take care of your salt because you've already added in the palak. Then later on you can just adjust it when you're finally making the khichdi. Let's stir it. Now I'll cover with the cooker lid and give it only 1 whistle because it's moong dal and the rice will get cooked pretty quick. So the 1 whistle is done. Let's check the khichdi now. You want your khichdi to be nice and soft. That's what you require. Now to this, I'll be adding the ground palak. So I ground the palak with little of the palak stock because there was more stock of palak. So I've kept it aside. So you can alter the thickness of the khichdi according to your requirement. You can make it watery. You can make it thick. Its choice is totally yours. Now I'll be adding little stock of the spinach what I had cooked it in to make it nice and watery. Keep it on a low flame. Mix this thoroughly. You can add the stock as per your requirement. At this point you can check whether the salt is okay or no in the khichdi and add accordingly. This is the consistency you require, not very runny, not very thick. Only with this consistency you enjoy having this khichdi. Let it cook for about a minute or two. Now I'll proceed to remove this off heat. So the final step, we'll be making the tadka. Well, I've taken 1 inch cinnamon stick, 5 to 6 peppercorn, 3 cloves, half teaspoon jeera, cumin seeds, half a teaspoon kasuri methi, and 2 chilies. I have roughly broken them like this. Apart from that, I've taken 1/4 of the medium onion and finely sliced it. And I have taken 4 small garlics and I have coarsely pounded it. I want my texture to be something like this. You can either chop the garlic into fine or however you want it to be in your khichdi. And I've taken a small piece of ginger, like maybe 1/4 inch, and I've just pounded it coarsely. Important thing is to use ghee for giving the tadka, which will give you a really beautiful flavor for your khichdi. If you have ghee, please do use it. If you do not, you can do it with oil as well. But for better flavor, just use some ghee while you're giving your tadka. I'll add in some ghee in a pan. I'll be using a combination of oil and ghee. You can do this as well. First, I'll add in the dry spices. Let's add it. Let the cumin seeds splutter, then we'll be adding the rest of the ingredients. At this point, I'll be adding the garlic, the ginger, and the onion. Let's fry it well. Fry it nicely until the onions are nice golden brown and the tadka is nice aromatic. Ensure it doesn't get burnt, otherwise you won't enjoy it in your khichdi. So just take care of that. Let each ingredient fry well. As you can see, the onions are nice golden brown. The spices are aromatic, and now I'll be adding this to the cooker. I'll mix this well so it gets mixed thoroughly and absorbs the flavor of the tadka. Let this cook for another 1 or 2 minutes and then I'll remove it off heat. So I hope you all enjoyed watching the video, guys. Please do like and subscribe to our channel. You can also follow us on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter and show us your love. So we'll see you next time, guys.